Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to draw a simple room in AutoCAD. First, open AutoCAD, then change your unit, press UN, then press on space. Then let's make the type decimal and let's make it 0.00 and the unit to scale, let's make it meter. Then press OK. After that, go to layers properties, then make new layers. Let's name the first one is wall, then select the color, give it whatever you want. Let's make this color is green, then press OK. And the second one, let's make window, and also the color, select it and give it this color, then press OK. And let's make a door and give it a color. Let's give it this color, then press OK. And I want a hidden line and give it a gray color. Let's give it this color, then press OK. And the line type, press on it, go to load and make it dash this one. Then press OK, then select it, then press OK. And let's make a dimension. Give it a color, whatever you want. Let's give it this color, then press OK. Then close your layers. Then go here in layers, select the first one is wall, and I want to make a rectangle or line or polyline. Let's make it by polyline. Select it from draw, or the shortcut is PL, then press on space. And let's make the first point here. Before that, let's make the OSNAP, OS, the shortcut, then press on space. Then check all of this, select all, then press OK. And let's turn on the ortho mode. It's here on the command, or press on F8 to turn it off or turn it on. Let's make a polyline. Let's make the first point is 10 meter and the second line it's 6 meter and another 10 meter, and press on C, then press on space to close it. Now I want to make an offset. The shortcut is O, then space, or go to draw, modify, and here is our offset. Select it. Let's make it 0.3, then press enter. Then select from outside to inside. And here is our lines. Now let's make a window. Go to layers, select your window. Here is our layer. Then go to line, or the shortcut is L, then space, then select from the center to the center. And here is our line. Then press offset, the shortcut is O, then space, let's make it 1 meter, then press on space or enter. Select your line, and again, here it is. Select line, space, from the center to the center. Then make it offset 0.025, then press enter. And let's make a 2 offset, and this one also the same. I want to trim these lines, press TR, then press on space and space. And let's delete these lines, also the lines inside. I want to delete this one, press select it, then press E, the erase shortcut, then press on space. And here is our window. Now I want a hidden line here and again hidden line here. Go to layers, select hidden line layers, then press on line, then space. And here is our window. I want window here and here. The same, go to window, make a line from the center. I want it offset, space, 0.75, then enter. And one up and one down. Also the same, line, space, from the center, also offset space 0.025, enter. Then let's make trim, tr, then space, trim these lines, tr, space, then space. I want to erase these lines, also this lines, also this one, and this one. I want to delete this one, select it, then press E, then space. I want hidden line, go to layers, select hidden line, then press line, then space. From here to here, and from here to here. I want it over here, select all of these lines from the left to right, not from right to left, because I want to select all of them, because the green rectangle here, the selection, I want to select all of these lines. But if I, from the left, the blue rectangle, I want to select just these lines. Selected, then press on modify. We have mirror, or the shortcut is MI, then press on space from the center and go down and select it. I want to make no, because I want a copy, and I want the first copy over here and the second copy is here. And here is our windows. Now I want to make a door, go to layers, select door, then press line, then space from the center to the center. Then let's make offset, then space. I want it 1.2 meter, then press enter, then press escape to escape the command. Go to offset, select it, I want it 0.75, then press enter. Then select this one and let's drag it over here. Then press TR, space, then space, then trim these lines. I want to make a door here and one over here. Let's make it line, then space, from the center to up. Let's make it 1.2, then enter. And let's go here, 0.5, 0.05, then enter. And 1.2. And here is our first door. And the second door, line, space, from the center, 0.75, the same, 0.05, the same, 0.75, enter, then press, then close it. Let's make arc or circle, C, then space, from here to here, and from here to here. Then press TR, space, then space, and from these lines, also these lines, also these lines. And here is our doors. Now I want to make a dimension. Go to layers, select dimension, make a rectangle, REC, then space, select this one, then press offset, then space. Let's make it 1.5 meter, and also the same rectangle. Delete this one, go to layers properties. I want to dimension. Let's make the line type is continuous, then press OK, then close it. Then I want to make a dimension, but before, let's make dimension style. Press on D, then space, go to new, name it whatever you want, then press continue or enter. Go to lines, ext line first, check them because I don't want these lines. Then go to simple and arrows. Let's make it oblique, and also the same one here. The arrow size, let's make it 0.25, then press enter. Then go to text, the same, text height 0.25, enter. Then go primary unit, let's make it 0.00, And the suffix, let's make it meter. Press the unit that I wanted on the dimension. Then press OK. Then select it, set current, then press on close. After that, go to annotation, linear, and select your dimension, this point to this point. Then drag it over here. The same one, I want to redo the command, press on space, and here is my linear command. Also the same space, and also this one. Go linear, select this point and this point. To redo the command, press on space, and here is our linear. Also this one the same. And let's delete our rectangles, and here is all the dimension.